Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can send more than 20 to 30 messages per day on Instagram on autopilot. This will mean that you can do the outreach system in autopilot so you don't need to manually send 20 to 30 messages. You can either template a message and send it exactly the same to everyone, or you can personalize with the bio links, websites, whatever you want. I will show you both versions. Well, I will show you my version, which is the with the template, and then I will explain to you how you can personalize this. Basically, what we are using, it's sorry, yeah. What we are using is an API called Unipile, where you can connect multiple accounts here, and we have our account connect here. You have all the documentation you need here. It's really simple to use, so you can basically come here, see what you need to use, and just make it work. On our N8N, what we need to have it's three workflows, also a database in Supabase or any other platform that you want, and a way of looking how many leads did we send a message, how many are um, ready to send, and how many did respond to us. So for this, I built in Lovable. Here I have, and I will explain walk through for the whole process. What we have here is basically, I won't get in very detail about this, but you can see that we have three workflows. One to scrape leads and also personalize our message, another one to send the message, and another one to trigger every time I receive a response. So what I want to do here is walk you through the process of thinking about this. I have nine profiles where I can get leads, basically nine profiles where I will search for leads in their followers. And with that, I will qualify them, build the message, store it, and then send it. I will send 20 to 30 messages per day because of the rate limits I have in my Instagram, and I don't want to trigger any automation um, security in Instagram or Meta, so that's why. After that, we'll need to scrape each profile, and we'll get between 20 to 50 profiles depending on if it's verified or not, the number of followers. And on each round, we want to qualify the lead with certain terms. For me, the terms are those. So here it will run at midnight 13 and midday 13, and we'll search our profiles. We'll loop over each one of the nine items to scrape all the followers. After that, we'll go to split each follower into loops and we'll search for duplicates. If there is none, we'll qualify the profile if it's private or not. Why I'm qualifying here and again over here? Because I want to save some HTTP requests. If I don't qualify here, I will run every one of those, and then I will only qualify here if it's private or not, and more stuff, and I will lose some HTTP requests. So I'm qualifying here because I already have that information over. Then if it's qualified or not, basically these codes, the only thing that sees is if it's private or public. And if it's qualified, I will search for the profile. If I have an error of 422, which means that the username is not valid, I want to run again, and if it's and delete it, and if it's another error, I will go over with another item. If I got success searching for this lead, I will get some information here. I will get where is it? Yeah, I will get the username, the name, the bio, and the number of followers. And what I want to do, I will search for all of these keywords in the bio, username, and name. And also, I will see if it has more than 75 characters in my bio, and also if it has at least 1,000 followers. If yes, it will be qualified. If not, won't be qualified. After that, after I qualify the profile, I will then create a message, which my message is very standard. I will just personalize the name of the message, and then I will create my row with the message with everything that I need to send over the message. Here, it's where you can personalize more. If you want to add an assistant or a more complex prompt on how to personalize the message with more information, specialize the niche, all those things, you can do it. You can do it here because you'll have access to the bio, you'll have access to external links, to username, name, whatever. So you can personalize the message more into detail and just send it, and it will happen here basically. After that, you just store everything in Supabase or any other platform, and you are good to go. After that, we'll have a workflow that basically will send a message every 8 minutes from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. with a random time of 3 to 7 minutes. So I don't want to trigger again any security in Insta. I will get one lead and I will send the message over, and then I will just update the status to sent. Or if we have an error of 401, which means we already sent a message to this person, I will just delete it because I don't need it here. After it, the only thing I need is a webhook where every time I get a message, it will get me that lead, see if it exists. If it exists, we'll update it to response true. And with that, I'm able to, just by looking at this board, I can see everything. The leads I have to send a message, the leads already sent, and the leads that had respond to me. And I can track everything here. I can see my rates. I can see everything that I need to make decisions, adjust the message, adjust everything. And with that, it's how you can send message in volume, personalized or not, to a lot of people that are your niche. You just need to change the profiles where you scrape leads. You need to change the personalized message, and you are ready to go. It's just an idea for you to use it and upgrade your outreach system, and with that, being able to get more booked calls, get more calls, and get more sales. That's the only thing. So hope you like it. Hope this will help you, and see you in the next video. Bye.